Okay, this little layout right here. Come back, read it. But right there it shows where I'm standing at and all the places. There's Dawes Island, there's Paris Island, there's Bay Point, that's 11 miles away out there. Hilton Head, Pinckney National Wildlife, Rose Island right there, Spring Island, and Shell Point, and I'm on Lemon Island actually. And there's the other river right there, Beaufort River. And then there's other rivers right on past to the north and south of here. But that's a little breakdown. And I've been to all these places by boat or car, mostly by boat.